Hi everyone, in our previous lessons we've been learning how to express the time in French. In this lesson we are going to learn how to express the AM and the PM. First, let's review what we've already learned. The first thing is to ask the question, what time is it? You would say, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? You learned how to say it's 1 o'clock, il est 1 heure. It's 2 o'clock, il est 2 heures. It's 3 o'clock, il est 3 heures. It's 4 o'clock, il est 4 heures. It's 5 o'clock, il est 5 heures. And so forth and so on. You also learned how to add minutes after the hour, such as it's 1:05, il est 1h05. It's 1:10, il est 1h10. And so forth and so on. You also learned the subtraction method, which you can use from half past the hour to the next hour. So for example, if you wanted to say 6:35, instead of saying 6:35, il est 6h35, what you can do is you go to the next hour and you subtract the number of minutes. So for 6:35, I would literally say it's 7 minus 25. Il est 7h moins 25. And so forth and so on. You also learned a couple of special expressions. Il est 5h15 for a quarter past, and for half past, il est 6h30. So écart for a quarter past, et demi for half past. So let's go ahead and look at how we express the AM and the PM in French. So we use the expressions for AM, in the morning, du matin. For PM, you will use either in the afternoon, de l'après-midi, or in the evening, du soir. So let's look at some examples. If I want to say it's 1 a.m., I would say, il est 1h du matin. This is like saying in English, it's 1 in the morning. Il est 1h du matin. It's 1 in the morning, or it's 1 a.m. If I want to say it's 1 p.m., I would use the expression de l'après-midi. So you would say, il est 1h de l'après-midi. It's 1 in the afternoon, or it's 1 p.m. If you want to say it's 7 in the morning, il est 7h du matin. If you want to say it's 7 in the evening, you'll use the expression du soir. Il est 7h du soir. And just to recap, use du matin from 12 a.m. to 11:59 a.m. Use de l'après-midi from 12 p.m. to 5:59 p.m. And then use du soir from 6 p.m. to 11:59 p.m. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching. To continue learning about time, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.